Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this newbie Bluetooth headset. I've already been using this for over 3 months now, and this is a great headset to have to make phone calls so that way that the caller could hear you clearly. So let me show you how this looks and what it comes with. So here's the charging case right here. This is how the case looks. This is where you charge it with the USB-C. Then when you open it up, you have your headset right here. It's a nice headset. Here's a microphone right here. This is what they're trying to sync. And here's your buttons. Here's your earpiece. This is where you charge it. This is how it looks. And then you can also charge it here also if you don't have the case with you. And then this thing moves a little bit too. Okay, let me show you how it sounds and how it looks. So I'm using the microphone right now, so you can see how clear that the audio sounds. This is how it looks. It's nice and compact. It doesn't bother me. It fits very nice in the ear, and it doesn't come out because it fits snugly. So this is a great product to use for your Bluetooth speaking. And it also shows the battery indicator right here. So it's fully charged. And the battery life on this thing lasts a very long time. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great Bluetooth headphone. I like how clear that the audio sounds, and I get a lot of compliments when I'm talking to people that they hear me nice and clearly using this. I like the charging case, and I also like how the battery life on this lasts a very long time.